welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Toby. Welcome back again with another exciting video. If you are new here, you are welcome to this amazing family. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do that right now. Turn on your post notifications, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this video. So guys, on today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys how you could know who have subscribed to your YouTube channel. Now I know a lot of you are into the small YouTuber support or subscribe to me and I'll subscribe to you back, and so on and so forth. And a lot of you have also asked me how you could know who have subscribed to your YouTube channel. So, and this is why I have bring this tutorial to you guys today on how you could know who have subscribed to your YouTube channel, or if that your favorite friend who said I have subscribed to you actually subscribe to your YouTube channel. So I'm going to be sharing this method with you guys in two different ways. Now the first way is by using your laptop or your desktop or your computers, and the second method is through your phone. So I'm just going to start by using the laptop method or your desktop or your computer, anyone you prefer to call it. Now to actually start, you want to click on your YouTube icon. Once you've logged into your youtube.com, you can see where my contour is. You want to just click on your icon, and then you want to click on the part that says YouTube Studio. So we are basically going to your YouTube account, your channel dashboard right now to actually know this. Now you want to click on your YouTube Studio. So once you've clicked on your YouTube Studio, it is going to take you to your channel dashboard. Now the next thing you want to do is just to scroll down a bit. Now once you scroll down, you're going to arrive to the part that says recent subscribers. We are going to land in recent subscribers. So this is YouTube showing me like a preview of the people who've recently subscribed to me in the last 90 days. Now you want to click on the part that says see all. So once you've clicked on that, this part is going to pop up. Now right here you could see the people who've subscribed to you in the last 90 days, guys. Last 90 days. So these are the people who've subscribed to you. If you want to see more, you can just click on the front button and then you'll see more. This is only displaying 10 people. So if you want to see more, you need to do is just click down here, and then you could see 30 people. You see it has increased. Or you could even click and then you go for 50 more people. You could actually see 50 more people if you want to see. Now these are the people that have recently subscribed to me in the last 90 days. Now if you want to see more people subscribe to you in the last 7 days, or in the last 28 days, or in the last 365 days, or in a lifetime. So what this lifetime means are all of the people. So if you have like 1,000 subscribers, you could basically see all the 1,000 subscribers by clicking on lifetime. If you want to see 365 days, which is like a year, you could see that, or the 90 days, or 28 days, or the last 7 days. So let's say for example this person has recently subscribed to you. So what you want to click on is the last 7 days. And then the last 7 days, you could see the people that have recently subscribed to me. So these are the people that have recently subscribed to me. Let's say you want to subscribe back to this person. You discover, oh, you like this person is your friend, and you want to subscribe to them. You will just simply click on this part that says subscribe, and you will automatically subscribe to that person's channel. Now let's say you want to see this person's channel first. You want to see what their content is about before you can subscribe to them. So what you want to do is to click on their name. So once you click on their name, this is going to open a new page where you can see that person's YouTube channel, and then you can decide to either subscribe to them or not subscribe to them. Now that is up to you. So guys, this is how you could see the people or the person who have recently subscribed to you, or your friends that claim they subscribed to you. So this is how you could see it on your laptop, on your desktop, or on your computer. So this is how you could see who have recently subscribed to you. And that's all. Now we're going to move to the phone method. So guys, to actually know who I've subscribed to using the phone method, you want to download Chrome or Google, or you could actually use Safari, but I'm going to be using Chrome. So if you don't yet have Chrome, you can download it from your App Store or from your Google Play Store. So I'm just going to open my Chrome app right now. So once you open it, you're going to have your Google. Now the next thing you want to do is to type in Shannon dashboard. And then search it up. So once you search it up, it's going to come up like this. We cannot go to our channel dashboard like this. We need to use the desktop mode on our phone. So to use the desktop mode on our phone, you want to click on the three dots under. And then you want to just scroll down a little bit and then click on request desktop site. So we now have the desktop version of our phone. Now you want to just zoom up a little bit. I'll just zoom up so you guys can see what I'm going to be doing. Now you want to click on YouTube dashboard, the first one there. So once you're there, this is going to take you straight to your channel dashboard. Now you want to just scroll down a little bit, or I'm just going to zoom up to the part that says recent subscribers, which is this part. This is where we're going to, that says recent subscribers. Now you want to just click on see all. So once you're there, this is going to display the people who subscribed to you in the last 90 days. So this is only displaying 90 days. Now, if you want to see more people who have subscribed to you, you want to just click on the part that says last 90 days. And then you could choose to see the people who subscribed to you in the last 7 days, or the people who subscribed to you in the last 28 days, or in the last 365 days, or a lifetime. Meaning if you have 1,000 subscribers, you could actually see those people who have subscribed to you for like forever. So you could click on the part that says lifetime. So I'm just going to click on the last 7 days. Let's assume these people have recently subscribed to you and you want to really confirm if they have subscribed to you. So you want to just click on the last 7 days. Now this is going to pop up. So these are the people that have recently subscribed to me in the last 7 days. Now if you want to see more people in the row, because this is only displaying like 10 people, if you want to see more people, you're just going to click on the part that says rows per page, and then you could see either 30 people or you could even see 50 people. It actually depends. Another way you could see more people subscribe, so you can just click on the arrow forward and then to load another page. But I'm just gonna go back. So guys, let's assume you like this channel and you want to subscribe to them. So what you want to do, you see the part that says subscribe. You could either subscribe to any of those YouTube channel if you like any of them, or you like their content, or if you want to personally see this people channel, you want to like know what their channel is about, you can just click on their names and then it will automatically take you to their YouTube channel, and then you could subscribe or not subscribe. That is actually up to you. So guys, that's how you could actually see people who have subscribed to you. Now let me make something clear. If you read from the learn more page, you could start. YouTube says this only include users who have made their subscription public. Now what this actually mean is these people that are displaying right there on my page or on your page, these are the people who have made their subscription public. Meaning that they've made the people who subscribe to them public, that anybody can see it. But if they have private their subscriptions, you cannot be able to see them on your list. So for example, your friend says they subscribe to you and then you check the list, you didn't see it. Do not be like, oh, you're a liar, you didn't subscribe to me and all of that. It could be that she has private or subscription, and that is why you are not able to see it on your list. So that is one thing you must have on heart. If you don't see anybody names on your list, it simply means they have made their subscription private. Now that is how you could know who have successfully subscribed to your YouTube channel. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. Okay, welcome back guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, because I definitely did, and I hope you did as well. So if you did, don't forget to subscribe. If you've not yet subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment telling me what you like about this video. Anyways, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to stay safe and take good care of yourself. I love you all. Thank you and bye.